A day in the life of twin content creators. Hi lovelies, join us on a road trip, boat cruise, and a side of eyecare. These are your favorite girls, Twinel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Hi guys. Welcome back to our channel, and this is Twinel. I am
Loretta. If you are a returning subscriber, we say thank you for always coming back to watch our videos, and if you are a new subscriber here, we welcome you to Twinel World, and we hope you enjoy your time as you watch and like our videos. We say thank you.
Yeah guys, we have a lot of activities piled up today. We are heading to the mall at the moment, and from there we'd like to go and see our doctor. You can see we are on glasses so it's long overdue for us to see our doctor, so come along with us as we go to the mall. Catch ya.
Have you ever wondered what Abuja roads look like? Yes, this is the Abuja Kubwa Expressway. It is a significant road in Abuja, Nigeria's capital city, known for its dual carriageway with wide lanes. It serves as a connection between various parts of the city, including Berger Junction at Jabi and Duse from Buhari Road. This express is a nexus from several feeder roads such as Buhari Duse Road and Kaduna Road at Zuba. Guys, take a look at the environment, the ambience, the landscape, the cool breeze. It's so satisfying, and you would agree with me that the city of Abuja is so beautiful. Oh my god. Guys, we're just vibing our way to the mall. Wow, I hope you enjoyed that song. You know, life is not too difficult. Let's just catch fun and vibe. The road was quite free, no traffic, very smooth. We enjoyed our journey to the mall, and very soon we'll be arriving at the mall. Just sit, watch and enjoy the rest of the vlog. We're ready at our eye clinic. Just gotten down. Seems our doctor is busy inside. So we're waiting till this afternoon. Then we'll go in and see our doctor. I'm excited to be here. It's like, I think it's like a year. It's like 1 year we last came here. So I think it's long overdue for us to check our eye. Meanwhile, these guys are good. Like, these guys are professionals, amazing, and they're good with their job. They handle our eye examination. They're the ones who made glasses for us, and it's been amazing so far. No complaints. It's like a free advert, right? Free advert. Yeah. So, but we love what they do. We love take you through the whole examination process.
Let's give you a view of the place.
Exactly.
I know you're going to love it.
Yeah.
Come along. Who can agree with me that waiting can be very, very tiring and exhausting?
Decided to come to the lake area. This place is so beautiful, so cool, so calm, so refreshing.
Our doctors are still seeing patients that came before us, so we have to patiently wait for them to be done. You know, in Nigeria, we practice one rule that says, first come, first serve. So we have to wait till they are done.
While we enjoy the view, let's talk about our health. Uncles, daddies, mommy, sisters, brothers, single fathers, single mothers, children, everyone in general, you're involved in this. I want us to take a break from work, take a break from the hustle, take a break from business, prioritize your health. Take good care of yourself. It's that time of the year where you have to give yourself a special treatment. Go check your vitals, give yourself a full body check. It's very important. Remember, health is wealth.
I hope it doesn't get longer than this time because I'm already exhausted. We are exhausted. We just want to be fast and then head to our next location. Yay guys, we finally made it into the examination room. Praise the Lord, somebody. Yeah, our doctors are females and they are professionals. They have handled us for years now and we can rate them a 100. Absolutely. My twin Loretta was the first to be examined. But what I do not know is the name of that machine, because that's not my field. Yeah, that's not my field. What I do know is the machine was used to check her eye pressure.
This is me, Loretta. I honestly thought I could view my future through this machine. And then boom, air flashed right into my eyes from the machine. I came back to reality.
So listen to the doctor's remark.
Yay guys, so you just heard it yourself. Our doctor said our eye pressure is normal and within range. On to the next examination. So according to our doctor, she said the machine that will be used on us is called an autograph.
So please look straight to see what the value is about to take.
If you've seen this video up to this point, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. And also thank you for sharing. We appreciate you guys so much. And if you're new on this page, our name is Twinel. We're twins. And our page is all about fashion and lifestyle. Do well to please like, subscribe, share, and comment on all our videos. Thank you so much.
We love you.
We love you.
What a day, what a day. What a day in the life of Twinel. We had a lot planned out for today, but our eye check appointment stole the day. Look at the time. It's 7:45 p.m. and we are just leaving the clinic. Wow. We are super tired.
super tired. We need rest. We are hungry. So all road leads home.